Thank you so much for watching this video. My name's Cameron. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up WordPress on cPanel. You're going to watch me A to Z set it up. It's a pretty simple process. I hope you'll learn something from it. If you are new to my channel as well, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Other than that, let's dive into it. All right, so I am inside of cPanel right now. This is a pretty simple process and won't take us too long, but I want to give a little bit of background on how this is set up. So I bought the domain name with the hosting package. So what that means is that this domain name is basically as tied to the hosting package as possible. So the name servers that are right here, these are plugged into our name servers on the DNS for the domain name. So therefore, cPanel has full access to make changes to this domain name as it sees fit, as we see fit. So we're not limited by anything. If you are pointing your website via a record through another DNS service, this might not work as easily as what I have it set up to be. So I have a subdomain set up here. If I go to subdomains, I have staging.pro-miamiroofingco.com. Very easy, very easy, simple setup. The reason I'm doing staging is because I'm setting up a new WordPress installation, so that way, for future tutorials as well. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Soft Oculus to start installing WordPress. I'm going to click on WordPress Manager by Soft Oculus. The other thing you can do is if you just have access to the Soft Oculus installer, there is a WordPress tab right over here. And then I'm going to click Install. And then I'm going to click on staging.pro-miamiroofingco.com. That was a mouthful and I don't know why. HTTPS should be fine as we have a SSL certificate set up. All these other options, you can modify the name of the blog, admin password, admin email. I'm just going to leave everything in default right now just because we don't really need anything else. So I'm going to click install. It's going to start installing the WordPress package. So the beautiful thing about installing it via Soft Oculus is it's so quick. This would normally, if we're doing a WordPress installation manually, this would normally take, anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes, where we're able to do this in a matter of a few minutes. So it's going to load the database in itself. It's going to modify the database. It's going to set up the database username and passwords, which is really half the work of installing WordPress. So once you get to the end, you're going to get congratulations. The software was installed successfully. And then we have two links. We have the administrative URL right below, and then we have our main link right up here. So I should be able to just click on it, and then it's going to load the WordPress default page, just like that. And then if I want to go into the admin, I can just click on that right here. Super easy, super simple. It doesn't take much time. Again, go into Soft Oculus, you just install it that way. Some cPanels will have a different WordPress manager. So sometimes if you just type in WordPress, there will be a tool just install WordPress directly through cPanel. Now, if your cPanel software does not have WordPress, a WordPress installation option, I'm going to do another video next week on that, so that way you know how to install it manually on cPanel as well. So if this video was helpful, thanks for stopping by. Give this a thumbs up, give this a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help. But other than that, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Thank you so much for checking this out.